Hello everyone! Today, we're tackling a common issue, the Fortnite OG not launching problem. Stick around and we'll walk you through the solutions. And before we dive in, show some love with a like and let's get started. First things first, make sure to watch the entire video before trying the solution. Now, let's kick things off with a couple of preliminary checks. Changing Fortnite's compatibility settings. Now, navigate to Epic Games. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. Then, Manage. And select Open Install Location. Dive into Fortnite Game. Then, Binaries. Then, Win64. Locate 4 files with Fortnite icon. Right-click and go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8. Tick Disable Full Screen Optimization. Click Apply and OK. Repeat for other Fortnite files. Done with compatibility settings. Now, check if the issue is resolved. If not, let's move on. Verify Fortnite. For solution 2, involves verifying Fortnite. And before that, delete the files for which we change compatibility settings. Open Epic Games. Verify Fortnite through the Manage section and wait for the process to finish. Now, check if Fortnite launches without issues. If not, let's tackle the last solution. Open Epic Games. Go to Open Install Location in Manage. Then, open the Win64 folder. Locate the Easy Anti-Cheat folders. Open Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Choose Current. And click Repair Service. Easy Anti-Cheat is repaired. Test Fortnite and see if it launches correctly. If problem persists, there's a final solution. If none of the solutions work, uninstall Fortnite and Epic Games completely. Perform a clean installation by reinstalling Epic Games and Fortnite from scratch. This should resolve any lingering issues. And there you have it. I hope one of these solutions sorted out your Fortnite launch problems. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to drop a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips. And I'll catch you in the next video.